Outside the end. Checking in Lake Erie, baby. Where my mama, man. We out here. How you doing?
My man's name was Ferguson.
Hmm?
His name was Richard James Ferguson. The man that designed that building,
The shade?
the architect,
Oh, okay.
designed the building. His
Yeah.
name was Richard James Ferguson, and he did a phenomenal fucking job, especially with regard to the exterior.
So we gotta go up in this, take this over this side to get to that side. Final destination shit. Yo, come on, man. I just saw Final Destination, bro. I'm not about to bro. Swear to God. I seen it like 3 times. Oh, no, we cool. All right, we ain't nowhere near max capacity.
Did you say Skybridge or something?
She said, "I just saw Final Destination."
I just saw it, man. Like,
Skybridge, there it is.
I mean,
She knew.
I just watched it. Like,
You gotta remember, bro, that was all film.
I know. I wasn't expecting this though. Like I said,
You'll love it.
first time in Lake Erie, y'all.
You'll love it.
I love it already.
Just slow down there.
Really?
Thank you. Oh, yeah. Wow. 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 That's all I can say. Even the moon look right tonight, the half a joint. Couple ants down there. A couple ants down there. We gonna wave. We wave.
Well, this is ours.
Oh,
This is great stuff. Look at this.
yeah.
See if I had one of my boats on the water, guess where we'd be? We'd be
Right
anchored
there.
right up. Yep.
Right there.
No, she said we're sleeping early.
I think we will be next week. We're gonna aim for that next week. That water, that thing's gonna be on the water.
Yeah?
Well, they probably after.